How to overlay Strava stats on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Strava application on your device. Then tap on new at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on activities. Now simply tap on the activity you want to share. Then tap on the share button. Now if you find the save button, simply tap on it. Else take a screenshot. Now once you take the screenshot, simply go back to the home screen. Now open up Instagram on your device. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Now select a story. Then tap on create. Then tap on the sticker icon. Now select photo. Now select the stats. Now adjust the position. Then tap on your story. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.